Welcome back to GardenBound. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that goes beyond the beauty and productivity of gardening, its profound impact on mental health. In the complexities of modern life, finding ways to nurture our mental well-being is more important than ever. Gardening isn't just about growing plants. It's about cultivating a space that fosters tranquility, joy, and a sense of accomplishment. Whether you're tending to a lush vegetable plot, a serene flower bed, or a few potted herbs on your windowsill, gardening offers numerous benefits for your mind and soul. In this video, we'll explore how gardening can reduce stress, boost physical health, create social connections, and delve into the science that supports these amazing benefits. So let's dig into how gardening can be a powerful tool for enhancing your mental well-being and bringing a sense of calm and happiness to your life. Gardening provides a unique opportunity to connect deeply with nature, offering a therapeutic escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Being immersed in the natural environment significantly lowers stress levels and enhances mood. The sights, sounds, and scents of a garden create a tranquil setting that calms the mind and body. Research shows that spending time in green spaces reduces cortisol, the body's primary stress hormone, and increases feelings of relaxation and well-being. This connection to nature is particularly potent in gardens, where nurturing plants fosters a sense of belonging and reduces anxiety and depression. Gardening promotes mindfulness, encouraging individuals to focus on the present moment and engage their senses fully. Repetitive and soothing tasks like weeding, planting, and watering can have a meditative effect, helping to clear the mind and reduce mental clutter. This focus on simple, hands-on activities provides a break from modern life's constant distractions, allowing for a more peaceful state of mind. By concentrating on the details of each task, gardeners find a flow state that is both relaxing and rejuvenating. One of the most rewarding aspects of gardening is the profound sense of achievement and purpose it brings. Watching plants grow from tiny seeds into thriving, blooming organisms provides a tangible reminder of the power of patience and care. Harvesting fruits, vegetables, or flowers from your own garden delivers a unique joy and pride, reinforcing the connection between effort and reward. This process boosts self-esteem and provides a sense of purpose, essential for overall mental well-being. Gardening also offers numerous physical benefits that further contribute to mental health. Engaging in tasks like digging, planting, weeding, and lifting involves a range of movements that improve strength, endurance, and flexibility. These activities are moderate-intensity exercises beneficial for cardiovascular health and muscle tone. Regular gardening can burn calories, lower blood pressure, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Moreover, the physical exertion involved in gardening stimulates the release of endorphins, natural mood enhancers that reduce stress and create a sense of well-being. This boost in mood and energy can be particularly beneficial for those struggling with anxiety or depression, offering a productive outlet for physical and mental stress. Spending time in the garden increases exposure to natural sunlight, essential for maintaining healthy vitamin D levels. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in bone health, immune function, and mood regulation. Sunlight exposure helps the body synthesize vitamin D, boosting serotonin levels in the brain, a neurotransmitter associated with mood enhancement and feelings of happiness. Additionally, sunlight helps regulate the body's circadian rhythm, controlling sleep patterns. Regular exposure to natural light during the day improves sleep quality and duration, combating issues like insomnia. For those affected by seasonal affective disorder, SAD, a type of depression occurring during the shorter, darker days of winter, gardening in sunlight can provide significant relief and mitigate symptoms. Gardening is a multisensory experience that engages sight, touch, smell, and even sound, providing a rich tapestry of stimuli that can be both calming and therapeutic. The vibrant colors of blooming flowers, varied textures of leaves and soil, soothing rustle of plants in the breeze, and fresh, earthy scents all contribute to a sensory feast that reduces anxiety and promotes mental clarity. These sensory experiences anchor individuals in the present moment, fostering mindfulness and a deeper connection with the environment. Touching and feeling different plant textures, inhaling the fragrant aroma of herbs and flowers, and visually enjoying the diversity of plant life enhance sensory awareness and provide a grounding, meditative experience supporting mental well-being. The physical benefits of gardening, from providing valuable exercise and exposure to sunlight to enriching our senses, are integral to its overall positive impact on mental health. But gardening's benefits extend beyond individual wellness. It also fosters community and social connections. Gardening can be a powerful catalyst for social interaction, bringing people together in a shared pursuit of nurturing plants and cultivating beauty. Community gardens, gardening clubs, and neighborhood projects provide platforms for individuals to connect, share knowledge, and collaborate. These social spaces foster a sense of camaraderie and belonging as gardeners work side by side, exchange tips, and celebrate their successes together. The act of gardening becomes a communal activity that breaks down barriers, bridging gaps between different age groups, cultures, and backgrounds. For many, the social support and interaction found in these settings are vital for maintaining mental health and reducing feelings of isolation. Building relationships through gardening can provide emotional support, increase self-esteem, and create a network of friends and neighbors who share a common interest. Gardening offers a unique opportunity for families to bond and spend quality time together. It is an activity that transcends generations, allowing parents, children, and even grandparents to engage in a shared pursuit. Working together in the garden can strengthen family ties, promote teamwork, and create lasting memories. For children, gardening is a hands-on educational experience that teaches them about nature, responsibility, and cooperation. It provides a chance to learn where food comes from, how to care for living things, and the importance of patience and perseverance. These lessons are invaluable, fostering a sense of accomplishment and nurturing a connection to the natural world. Gardening as a family can also instill healthy eating habits, as children are more likely to enjoy and eat vegetables they have grown themselves. Beyond individual and family benefits, gardening plays a crucial role in building stronger, more cohesive communities. Community gardening initiatives transform vacant lots and shared spaces into thriving green areas that bring people together. These gardens often serve as a focal point for community engagement, providing a place where residents can gather, work towards a common goal, and create a sense of ownership and pride in their neighborhood. Successful community gardens have been shown to reduce crime rates, increase property values, and foster a sense of safety and belonging. They encourage sustainable living practices, such as composting and local food production, and often become venues for educational workshops and social events. By participating in community gardening, individuals contribute to the collective well-being and help cultivate a sense of community spirit. The social and community aspects of gardening not only enhance individual well-being, but also build stronger, more connected families and neighborhoods. These benefits are supported by a growing body of scientific research. A substantial body of scientific research has explored the relationship between gardening and mental health, consistently finding that gardening can significantly reduce symptoms of anxiety, depression, and stress. Studies have shown that regular engagement with gardening activities leads to lower levels of cortisol, the stress hormone, and improved mood. For instance, a study conducted by the University of Exeter found that individuals who participated in gardening had better well-being and lower levels of psychological distress compared to those who did not. Another study published in the Journal of Health Psychology reported that gardening can lead to improvements in mood and stress levels comparable to those achieved through physical exercise, underscoring its role as a valuable therapeutic activity. Horticultural therapy, the practice of using gardening activities as therapeutic interventions, is widely recognized for its benefits in supporting mental health and rehabilitation. This form of therapy is used in various settings, including hospitals, mental health facilities, and community programs, to help individuals cope with stress, build social skills, and recover from trauma. In hospitals, patients may participate in gardening activities as part of their rehabilitation to improve motor skills and cognitive function. Mental health facilities often use horticultural therapy to provide a calming environment and a sense of routine for individuals with mental health challenges. Community programs leverage gardening to engage vulnerable populations, such as the elderly or those with disabilities, in meaningful and rewarding activities that enhance their quality of life. The structured, goal-oriented nature of horticultural therapy allows participants to experience a sense of accomplishment and empowerment. Research also highlights the cognitive benefits of gardening, particularly for children and older adults. Studies indicate that gardening activities can improve cognitive function, memory, and attention. For children, engaging in gardening has been linked to enhanced learning, problem-solving skills, and creativity. It provides a practical, hands-on experience that complements traditional education, fostering curiosity and exploration. For older adults, gardening can slow cognitive decline and support brain health. A study published in the Journal of Alzheimer's Disease found that gardening activities are associated with a lower risk of dementia and cognitive impairment. The mental engagement required in planning, planting, and maintaining a garden stimulates brain function and keeps cognitive skills sharp. These findings suggest that gardening not only nurtures the body and soul, but also keeps the mind active and healthy. The scientific evidence underscores that gardening is far more than just a leisure activity. It is a powerful tool for mental well-being and cognitive health. By incorporating gardening into daily routines or therapeutic programs, individuals can harness its full range of benefits. For those new to gardening, starting with small, manageable projects can make the experience both enjoyable and rewarding. Container gardening is an excellent way for beginners to get their hands dirty without feeling overwhelmed. You can start with a few pots on a balcony or windowsill, growing herbs like basil, mint, or parsley, which are easy to maintain and provide quick, gratifying results. Small herb gardens not only enhance your culinary adventures, but also build your confidence as you see your plants thrive. Choosing plants that are easy to grow and care for, such as succulents or leafy greens, can ensure early successes and encourage continued engagement with gardening. These initial steps can spark a lifelong passion for nurturing plants and enjoying the therapeutic benefits they offer. Incorporating gardening into a regular routine is a powerful way to enhance its benefits and make it a consistent part of your life. Set aside dedicated time each day or week for gardening activities, whether it's watering plants, weeding, or simply spending time observing your garden's progress. This regular commitment provides a sense of structure and purpose, helping to ground your daily schedule and offering a welcome break from the stresses of everyday life. Establishing a routine in the garden also allows you to witness the gradual changes and growth over time, fostering a deeper connection to the natural world and reinforcing the therapeutic effects of gardening. Creating a sensory-rich garden can significantly enhance your mental well-being by engaging all your senses. Choose a variety of plants that offer different textures, scents, and colors to create a vibrant and stimulating environment. Soft, velvety leaves, fragrant flowers, and visually striking foliage can all contribute to a richer gardening experience. Adding elements such as wind chimes, water features, or bird feeders can further elevate the sensory experience, bringing soothing sounds and dynamic movement to your garden. These sensory enhancements not only make your garden a more enjoyable place to spend time, but also provide calming and therapeutic effects that can reduce anxiety and promote relaxation. Gardening doesn't have to be a solitary activity. Connecting with local gardening groups or participating in community gardens can add a valuable social dimension to your gardening experience. These groups provide opportunities to share knowledge, exchange plants, and collaborate on projects, fostering a sense of community and belonging. Engaging with others who share your passion for gardening can offer emotional support and inspire new ideas. For those who prefer online interactions, joining gardening communities on social media platforms can also be a great way to connect with fellow gardeners, share your progress, and gain insights from a broader network. Mindful gardening is about being fully present and attentive to the tasks at hand, enhancing the calming effects of gardening. Focus on your breathing and the physical sensations of gardening, whether it's the feel of soil between your fingers, the scent of flowers, or the sound of rustling leaves. Take the time to observe the intricate details of your plants, from the veins in a leaf to the patterns of growth. Practicing mindfulness in the garden can help you slow down, reduce stress, and cultivate a deeper appreciation for the natural world. Incorporating simple breathing exercises and taking moments of pause to reflect on the beauty around you can transform gardening into a meditative and restorative practice. By starting with small projects, creating a regular routine, engaging your senses, connecting with a community, and practicing mindfulness, you can fully harness the mental health benefits of gardening. These practical tips can help integrate gardening into your daily life, making it a powerful tool for enhancing well-being and finding joy in the simple act of nurturing plants. We hope you enjoyed this video on how gardening can impact your mental health. We'd love to hear your experiences in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, happy gardening.